Rat and Lion. One day, a Brahmin saint was on its way to visit the neighboring village. There, he saw a cat harassing a rat in the corner. The compassionate saint felt for the little rat, alone and helpless in front of the big cat. He chanted some magical prayers, and the rat turned into a big black cat. Seeing it happen all of the sudden, the other cat was taken aback. She ran away at that a very instant. The rat life was saved. He was very grateful to the saint. He decided to stay with him. A few days later, the cat was enjoying his time playing around here and there. Soon he got hungry, and so he went near a dustbin to gather some food. There, a big dog saw the cat and started barking loudly. Then, without any warning, he started chasing the cat. The cat was helpless. He started running as fast he could. He wished his savior was nearby to help him. Thankfully, the saint was near the marketplace. When he saw all this, he decided he did not waste a minute. He chatted some magical spell and turned the cat into a dog. The big dog now barked at the one that was chasing him. The other one was so buffeted and that he ran away. The dog again thanked the saint for his help. The next day, the dog and the saint went to the nearby jungle to gather some herbs. The saint warned the dog about the strong lion of the jungle. He told him to stay alert all the time. But the dog was really not a dog. He was curious little rat after all. He found a chance to go around about his way away from the saint. And trouble followed for sure. A lion was keeping an eye on him as soon as he stepped into the inner premises of the jungle. He launched in front of the dog and let out of a loud roar. The dog was powerless in front of the mighty lion. He started shrinking loudly in order to let his master know about his whereabouts. The saint heard the roar and the loud shrieks of this dog. He followed and reached the spot soon. The lion was about to end the life of the rat, which was a dog. Without wasting a second, Saint chattered some spell and dog turned into a big mighty lion, even bigger than his competitor. The new lion let out of the thousands loud roar and scared the other one away. The mighty lion was grateful to the saint for saving his life for the third time. He decided to protect the saint from any trouble. Soon the tail hit the corner of the village. Everyone hailed the saint for his impeccable magical capabilities. But all made fun of the lion by calling it as a rat all the time. They were not wrong though. He was a rat in his original form. But this hurt the ego of the rat. He carefully gave it to eat a thought. According to him, lions are supposed to be superior animal to any other living creatures. What a shame, he thought. He decided that there is only one way to get some respect out of others. He was to kill the saint. He has to kill the saint and prove his supremacy. The next day, when Saint was busy meditating, the selfish lion thought that that was the golden opportunity for him. He slowly headed towards the saint with malicious intention, but the saint was a very powerful and intuitive person. He had guessed the intention of the lion, so he chatted some magical spell and turned lion back to rat and told him to leave at once. The rat had to leave from the secured home of saint into a world of dangers. Because of his selfish motive, he lost his generous master. So what will be the moral of the story? Comment in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.